Welcome to our 2026 ride out to Central Wales. I will be on a Can-Am Ryker 900. My brother Mick will be on a Honda XL350 made in 1978. Experience the beautiful scenery and the excellent riding roads, and watch us try and learn how to use a drone.
Waiting for the day, chains around my heart, but I knew I'd break away. Felt the weight of doubt, tried to pull me down, but I was never meant to stay on the ground. Now the wind is calling, feel it in my veins. No more fear, no more chains. Took the fall, learned to rise. Now I'm looking at the open skies. I was born to fly higher than the sun. No turning back, my journey's just begun. Through the fire, through the rain, I spread my wings and rise again. I've seen storms, I've walked through fire, but every scar just took me higher. They tried to break me, tried to hold me still, but I was made to chase the thrill. Now the wind is calling, feel it in my veins. No more fear, no more chains. Took the fall, learned to rise. Now I'm looking at the open skies. I was born to fly higher than the sun. No regrets, no turning back. My journey's just begun. Through the fire, through the rain, I spread my wings and rise again.
Collision detected. Aircraft landing automatically.
Mick off to go into a part of the Trans-European Highway. Off-road, he's got about 40 miles to do. So that's the first big test of his new adventure bike. Well, new, it's built in 1978. So far it's only taken about 10 minutes and he's got the tube out already. Just find the puncture.
Yeah, I did it last year on an old Honda.
Yeah, you managed to do the whole thing? Have you done the whole thing in the UK with Tet or not?
No, not all of it,
No.
no. I did down in Surrey and Wiltshire.
Oh, nice.
And Somerset.
Yeah.
Well, Andy wasn't on he just does the road bit.
Yeah.
And then came up here and done a load up there.
Nice.
But the bike I was on was a Street Scrambler, 1974, that's what I bought this.
We've got to try and join that.
Bird of prey there on his perch, looking for lunch. So quiet here. Hear the birds singing.
Just took me higher. They tried to break me, tried to hold me still.
What a beautiful part of Wales.
Now the wind is calling, feel it in my veins. No more fear.
I am actually doing part of the Trans-European Trail on my Ryker. This is obviously an easy off-road bit. It's a bit of the area that I wouldn't normally see. Good old Welsh weather.
Through the fire, through the rain, I spread my wings and rise again. Let the echoes fade behind me.
Right, the water wheel they used to turn a lever which operated the bellows for the blast furnace, for smelting copper, silver and lead. Ingenuity.
Cages, now I'm soaring far away. I was born to fly, feel no chains. Rising up, I own the sky, breaking
it.